Geniculate artery embolization is an exciting new procedure that treats severe knee pain. About 80% of Americans will eventually suffer some type of knee pain. Many of those people are going to need total knee replacement. And what's exciting is that this is becoming a potential, at least temporary replacement for the total knee replacement. It is a minimally invasive procedure to treat patients who have severe osteoarthritis, sometimes bone-on-bone pain. Many of these patients have been treated through injections, gel implants, and are very reluctant to move on to total knee replacement because sometimes that can cause additional problems. The exciting thing about the geniculate artery embolization procedure, it's an outpatient, same-day procedure with very few complications, almost no complication potential, but is being researched as potentially lasting up to about 2 years after initial treatment. Typically, what will happen is we'll have a patient do initial evaluation, but take a look at their plain films to see if they in fact have severe osteoarthritis. If we're unsure, then we'll order an MRI afterwards to see further whether or not they have significant degenerative changes of the knee. If they are a candidate for the geniculate artery embolization procedure, we'll schedule an outpatient procedure to treat that. It is typically, the procedure itself only takes about 15 to 20 minutes. This can be done with or without anesthesia. What we do is we'll enter from the top of the leg with a small catheter about the strand of spaghetti that is fed down to where the pain is in the knee. The geniculate artery is the most common arteries that are causing problems within the knee. There's actually several geniculate arteries in the knee, so we'll select and take a look at each one of those, and they all have, the ones that are abnormal have something, have a common blush that we'll see. And if we see that blush, we know that there's neovascularity in that area, and the neovascularity or new blood vessels in that area will typically wrap up the nerves and cause pain in that area. Once we're able to embolize and stop the blood flow from going through these new blood vessels that were formed as a result of the degenerative changes in the knee, many patients find that they have a significant improvement in the pain in their knee. The last few patients that we treated came back and said they had zero pain in the knee where they had it before. They can last up to 2 years. We're actively involved in research to see if the embolization procedure can last beyond 2 years that we see now.